Hello and happy Thursday. It is February 29th, the day that only comes once every 4 years, 2024. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day. Today's tip comes from Rick Friedman's book, The Way of the Trial Lawyer Beyond Technique. And here to read today's tip is Rick Friedman. Thank you for being here today, Rick.
Oh, thank you, Michael. Should I go?
Please.
All right. Moral lawyers recognize that the system they are called to work within is not fair. Playing field's not level, but they choose to step into the courtroom anyway. When they do so, they are fighting for something they consider important, something that is grounded in their own personal moral value system.
Yeah, this is great. Like everything in the book, The Way of the Trial Lawyer, starting with the premise that it's not fair. And you know what? We can't bring that to the jury, right? Like we have to just bring it from the way it is. I mean, I'm curious if you could talk about that a little bit, about being grounded in your own personal moral value system and how you do that and how you can help others do that.
Whoa. Well, that's what the whole book's about.
So buy the book is one thing, but how about like just a little starter glimpse?
Well, I think it's getting, to me, the sort of key to it is getting out of your own, finding something bigger than yourself that the case is about. And a lot of lawyers use their client in that regard. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I think in most cases, there's something even bigger than the client. And, if it's the client, then there is this sense of desperation about, if I lose this case, the world will collapse. If I lose this case, the world will collapse for me. If I lose this case, the world will collapse for the client. But I think what this quote's trying to get at is there's a certain resiliency in recognizing that when this battle's over, there'll be another battle, then another battle and another battle. And you need to find something that will sustain you through all of that, as opposed to something from each individual case. So, for me, that's fighting for, the powerful tend to abuse those who are weaker. And so for me, it's kind of standing in favor of the weaker and opposing abuses of power. And that's bigger than me. That's bigger than anyone. And it's kind of a clumsy way to express it, but that's what sustains me.
Yeah, I don't think it's clumsy at all. So there's a moral value system. There's also a framework and a feeling that you bring of, I'm thinking of David and Goliath. That seems to be the one, we are there, the little guy fighting the big corporations, and we're going to keep fighting, and we hope we win this one. And whether we do or not, we're there to continue the fight.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wonderful. Well, thank you as always, Rick, for your words of wisdom and for sharing your really what goes well beyond methodology, but really a way to be a great trial lawyer. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you, Michael.
Let's pause and take a deep breath together and just be grateful to be alive this Thursday. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in our lives, in our clients' lives, and reduce suffering in the world. May the work that we do exemplify law at its finest, honorable, and bringing good into the world. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our clients' causes. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just let the sounds wash over you and pierce through you and remind you it's Thursday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.